Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my favorite pet. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 40 years old. I live in a small house with my family. I have a husband and 2 children. Today, I want to talk to you about my pet. I have a cat. His name is Milo. He is 3 years old. Milo is a small white cat with beautiful blue eyes. He is very soft and fluffy. When I touch his fur, it feels like a soft blanket. I love him very much. Milo is a very special cat. He likes to play and sleep. In the morning, he sits near the window and watches the birds. He moves his tail and makes small sounds. Sometimes he jumps and tries to catch them. But of course, he cannot. It is very fun to watch him. In the afternoon, Milo sleeps a lot. He has a favorite place in the house, the big sofa in the living room. He likes to sleep there for hours. Sometimes he sleeps in the sun near the window. He loves warm places. Milo is also very playful. In the evening, he has a lot of energy. He runs around the house and plays with his toys. He has a small toy mouse, a ball, and a long string. He likes to catch the string when I move it. It is our favorite game. He jumps, runs, and has so much fun. My children also like to play with him. Milo loves food. He eats cat food and drinks fresh water every day. Sometimes I give him special treats like a little fish or some chicken. When he smells fish, he comes running to the kitchen. He is always so excited to eat his favorite food. Milo is not only playful, but also very sweet. He likes to be close to me. In the evening, when we sit on the sofa and I read a book, he comes and sits next to me. He purrs softly. This makes me feel happy and relaxed. At night, Milo sleeps in my bed. He finds a warm spot near my feet and sleeps there all night. Sometimes he wakes up and moves, but he always comes back to sleep near me. He makes me feel safe and comfortable. Milo is part of my family. He is not just a pet. He is my friend. When I feel sad or tired, he stays close to me. He looks at me with his big blue eyes and I feel better. I love my pet because he makes me feel happy. He is always there for me. He is funny, sweet, and full of love. Now, let's check on your understanding. What is the name of Sarah's cat? The cat's name is Milo. What color is Milo's fur? Milo has a white fur. What does Milo like to do in the morning? In the morning, Milo likes to sit near the window and watch the birds. Where does Milo sleep in the afternoon? Milo sleeps on the sofa or near the window. What is Milo's favorite food? Milo loves fish. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.